Hello guys! Assalamu alaikum guys. I am Imamur. I am a learner and I am a web developer. So in today's class, I'm gonna complete the footer section. So we are nearing the end of our e-commerce website landing page. In the next class, I will continue with the about us page. So guys, let's start the class. Our today's class I think will be 1 hour. So first of all, we are gonna we have to open the folder. So guys, as you can see, we have made this beauty section in the last class. We have made this beauty section in the last class. Nature is our friend, discover button, and our 3 tips for our special items. So in today's class, we are gonna complete the footer section. So what is a footer? If we if you can see, there are a footer in our e-commerce website. This is our footer in our e-commerce website, but this contact text and these texts are totally different, but because the Google font is different for these two words. So it is divided into three parts: contact contact part, and then the description part, social media icons, and the collection part. So we are gonna complete this section in today's class. So be happy guys. I will start the code, but first of all you have to know something of a footer, why a footer is so necessary in a e-commerce website. Okay, a well-designed footer is the foundation of a trustworthy e-commerce website. It provides quick access to important pages like contact, shipping, and privacy policy. A footer improves navigation, helping users find information without scrolling back to the top. It builds credibility by displaying business details, payments methods, and social media links. You can see the social media link: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. Every successful website uses its footer to increasing trust, improve usability, and encourage customers engagement. So guys, as you can see, what is a footer in a e-commerce website? What is a footer in a e-commerce website? Thought that we build a building. We have built a building. We have created a building, and in the building we have header. I mean the top. I'm talking about the roof. After that, one, level two, level three, level four, level five, and after that we have the ground floor. So the ground floor is our footer, and the roof is our header, like a e-commerce website or in every website, any kind of website. So we can see the footer, the social media icons, the description of our e-commerce website, what we sell, what is our services, and our contact number, phone number. If I zoom out, phone number, email number, address. Okay guys, and the debit card, credit card, photos, images. So we are gonna start with this. So first of all guys, we have to go to the search bar, and just normally we will type. We can see that. So normally we will go to the search bar, and we know that our project name is e-commerce site. So e-commerce today class I think will be interesting guys. Stay with me. Okay, after going to the e-commerce site, after going to the after going to the project, we will go to the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so our VS Code is open right now. We can see our project, and we will delete all these things. The beautymatch.tsx we have made page.tsx for cart, our shopping cart page, our header.tsx, hero slider.tsx, nature section.tsx, and this page. Okay, so first of all we have to create a component named footer.tsx. First of all we will go to the component folder. Footer is also a component. So first of all, we will go to the component folder. After that, we will create a file. Name will be footer.tsx. Footer.tsx, and after enter, we can see our footer.tsx file is ready. But we have to know that we we have to type first. We have to type the code first. After that, we will try to understand why the code is so important and why we write this code in this section or in this file. So I will also create a PDF file for you. You will get it later. So first of all, we have to start it with the use client function of a React.js, of a React project, or in a Next.js project. So first of all, we have to start it. Use client. That's it. We have to end it. Use client. After that, we have to import the Next.js link. After that, we have to import the Next.js link. Import. Here will be uppercases from the Next.js link. After that, we have to import the Next.js link. We will fix the error or we will fix the wrong codes later. First of all, we have to write the codes, okay? And after that, we have to import the social media icons. Like if we go to the footer page, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, we have to import these icons too. So import second bracket. How to import it? F will be uppercases F A Facebook. F A Facebook. Okay. Then again we have to write F. This is the icon. After the Twitter, F will be uppercases, A will be lower cases, T will be uppercases, Twitter. Okay, Twitter. After that, Instagram, F will be uppercases, A will be lower cases, I will be uppercases. Instagram. Right, guys? I hope you can hear me. After that, Pinterest, F will be uppercases, F A P. Why I have used this? You will get know very soon. Pinterest, right? And then P will be uppercases. So Pinterest also have come. So after that, the visa icons from Lucid React. So F A, okay. C will be uppercases, lower cases both, and B will be uppercases, visa. No spelling mistake, guys. We all are learner, not teacher. Okay, that's it. So after that, we have to add some Mastercard icons. So F A C Mastercard. Mastercard. Okay, MX. So this is the icon we need, MX. After that, we need the PayPal. So simply F uppercases, lowercases, C uppercases, lowercases, simply P uppercases, PayPal. PayPal. Okay. Just where we import this file, where we import these icons from React icons. We have installed the React icons packages in the first video. That's it. Okay. Okay, so we have also, I think there is Instagram, FA Instagram. No spelling mistake. I hope, guys, we didn't install the React icons. So first of all, we have to go to the terminal, and after starting the terminal, we have to start npm install React icons. I hope the icons will be downloaded now. npm install React icons. So the icons are ready. The icons are loading. You can see. So our icons have downloaded. I hope no mistakes in are. So just continue. Okay. Now the proper functionality we will do. We will continue with the proper functionality. So export part. We are doing the export part now. So export default export default function. Export default function. What is our page name? Footer. F will be upper cases and footer. Okay, guys. Okay. So footer, and then we have to use the return function to attach it with our home page. Okay. So first bracket, and we have to take a class name, main name footer. So footer class name, the tailwind CSS class name, class name. Okay, background color will be black, text will be white, and empty is 24. Okay, empty. Empty is 24. So I have finished. Now we have to do the top section. First of all, we have to comment it. Second bracket. Okay. Everything is fine. Okay. Star slash. Finish. So top section. First of all, we will type the code, and after that we will understand the code. Okay. D class name. We have take the D class name. No spelling mistake. Okay. Now the maximum width. We have to set the maximum width first. Maximum width means the whole display will be this size. Maximum width 7XL. Margin auto PX. Margin auto PS will be 6. Padding will be 24. And then there will be a grid because we have three parts. If we go to the photos, we have three parts. One part, two part, three part. One part, two part, three part. So we have to divide it into columns equal to 3. So grid, after that MD means medium grid columns. Medium grid columns will be 3. Gap will be 16 pixel, and that's it. We have finished the div. Okay, guys, you can see that we have finished the div. Now there will be a contact section. Okay, first of all, slash star contact star slash. So finish. Now we have to take another div. Finish. The div is finished, and between this div we are gonna finish our h3 tag, h3, and give a class name. Okay, we have to give a class name. First of all, we have to give a style to it. Text size will be XL, and this will be tracking. Okay, and tracking will be 3 pixel. Right? Okay, that's it. MB is equal to 8. Right. Okay. So the H3 is also finished. What is our H3? Contact. Everything will be upper cases. Our contact. Right? So the H3 is finished. Now we have to take another div. Okay. CLASS. Okay. We have to take another div, and So first of all we have to give a space is equal to y3, text will be color gray color, and the font will be 300 and font will be italic. But the other part font will be different font. So this is italic and we have finished the div. So just now we have to give a paragraph, and in the paragraph we will try to give the address. Paragraph class name class name, no class name, sorry, just the paragraph, I forget it. So address, you can give any address as you want. I'm going to the fixed address I'm going to write, but you can give your address or any address you want. Okay, so our paragraph tag is also finished. So that's it. So we have finished the address. Now it is time to finish the email. We are going to give the email. So I am going to write something at the rate gmail.com. If you want to give an email, then you can also give it. I'm gonna write something at the rate of gmail.com. Something at the rate gmail.com. That's it. And the phone number. We have to take the phone number. So these three things we are gonna finish. Phone number will be +9941175. I am going to just, this is for show, not the proper. So I'm gonna fix this. Okay, that's it. Now we have to go with the payment icon. We are gonna attach the payment icon at here. Okay, so the div is open. After that div we can give a comment / payment icon / that's it, finished. Just have to attach the payment icon with by taking a div class name. Okay, div class name. Now about the CSS split, flags, gap, free, text will be 3XL. Text will be 3XL and empty is equal to 8. The name is incorrect. We have to fix it NAME multiple times. I have done the mistake. So empty is equal to 8. Okay, that's it. We have finished the div, but the section is not complete here. We have to attach the icons here. So just from Visa PayPal master MS, this just copy it and just normally paste it here. Okay, paste it here. Visa MX and PayPal. We'll do it slowly. Okay, now just write it and end it. Okay. Start it, end it, start it, end it, start it, and end it. Okay, so the div is finished. Now we are going to do the now we are gonna start with the center position, the center section or the center part. So first of all we have to comment it by /star Okay, center, star slash. That's it, finished. So first of all, we have to take a div, as we know, and a class name. Class name. Okay, guys. Class name is equal to text will be center. Text will be center of the class name. The tailwind CSS. Okay. Okay. So that's it. The div is finished. Okay. Now we have to take a h1 tag. The h1 tag is very important because the font family is different. The font is different from the others. So class name and the sizes also different between them from them. So text, we have to take a text 5 pixel, italic, MB, 8, font, light. Okay. Okay, that's it. So just we have finished the styling of this, and this will be by a GUT. Everything will be lower cases. BIAGIOTTI. By a GUT. Okay. The H1 is finished. Now we have to take a paragraph tag. We will try to understand we will try to give a beautiful structure to our codes. Otherwise, we will not a proper web developer. B class name, paragraph name. A paragraph. After that, text will be 3XL and a leading function. A new function we have learned leading relaxed, RELAXED, relaxed upper cases. Okay, that's it. So the paragraph is also done. What is the paragraph? So I am gonna write some at first. We will after ending the code we will try to write this whole thing, but we don't have so many times, so I will copy it and paste it later from the source code. But first of all, I am write the paragraph, and now at last we have attached the icons. So the social icons part, just copy it and write it social icons. Social icons. So first of all, we have to take a div class name, and then we have to give a beautiful style from them for it, for the div. So flags, justify content center, gap will be 5, empty will be 10. Okay, that's it. The div is finished. Okay. And another anchor, we have to link up something. Here. F, and slash. So anyone can go to the Facebook page or the Instagram page. I'm going to understand you. If someone click on the Facebook icon, then he can see our Facebook page, our e-commerce website, our Twitter account, our Instagram account. So for this, we have to link up with the hash, right? Okay, hash. Right, guys? That's it. Okay. So now, give me a beautiful look to it. So width will be 12 pixel and height will be also 12 pixel, and giving a border. Color will be gray. Size will be 500 pixel. Flags. Items will be center. Items. Okay, items will be center. Okay, items will be justify content justify content, content, justify content will be centered. Hover, we have to give a hover here. So hover, background color will be white. Hover, text color. Now we have to give a text color to the black. So the text color is black, and now the duration 300 millisecond. 300 millisecond. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Okay. So it is finished. The anchor tag, and now we are gonna link it with the Facebook icon. With the Facebook icon. F. Okay. /star. Okay. So our Facebook icon is also finished. Just the spelling mistake will be P. Okay. The error has gone. Facebook icon. So you can see the anchor is finished like this. So just like the simple, the same rules of the icons. I mean the all four icons. The all four icons: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. The all CSS will be same. You can see that the CSS are same here. So we are gonna fix it. So just we have to copy it, the same icons, the same style, the same CSS grids. Just copy it, guys. After copy it, you have to paste it for 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. So after that, there will be FA Twitter. After that, Instagram add here. Instagram. After that, Pinterest will be add here. P will be uppercases and the P. So our icons part is finished. Now we are gonna complete the collection. Now just the collection part. Okay. Right. /collections /store. Okay, I made it. So first of all, we have to take a div. We are so near. Text will be center. We have to give a beautiful CSS style. So text will be center, MD, medium. Text will be right side. At the right side, the text will be in the right side. Okay, finished. Okay, that's it. That div is finished. Now it is time to take a h3 tag. Last name. Text will be Excel. Tracking. 3 pixel. Okay. MB is equal to 8. So what is the H3? This is our collections. So uppercase COLLECTION, collections. So what is our collections at here? If you go to the photos, this is our collections. We have distributed. So now we have to take another div. Okay. Now we have to take another div. Okay, guys. Space Y4 text will be gray, 300 italic, 300 italic. So guys, we have finished the paragraph also, the div also. So we have finished the div. So now there will be two paragraphs. A paragraph, okay, glowing skin is a result. Okay guys, if we go to the photos, you can see glowing skin is a result. I hope, where is the paragraph? So you can see, if I zoom in, glowing skin is a result. Glowing skin is a result. After that, A, B, C, D something, and pure skin is a solution. So we have to take three paragraphs. So it's a hassle. After the code end, I will copy it and paste it from the source code. So just of all, I just copy it for 3 times. Okay guys, paste it and paste it. Okay. Now the bottom menus. Where is our footer section? This is our footer section. So it is turned to take a bottom menu. So first of all, slash start slash bottom menus. Bottom menus. Okay. So first of all, we have to take a div. We have to take a div class name, Okay, so first of all, we have to take a div and class name order will be t border. So border will be gray, 800 pixel, size padding will be 8. Okay, that's it. The div is finished, and after the div, we have to take another div because the menu is everything. So we have to take another div. Now it is about to the tailwind CSS. First of all, the maximum width will be 7XL. Maximum width 7XL, margin auto px 6 flags wrap flags wrap, justify content will be center, and at last we have to give a gap. After that, text will be small, upper cases. This is the style, because without it you can see that the contact text is a contact h3 title is a style, address style is different, this style is different, and the collection style is different. So we have to careful about the CSS of the text. Tracking, okay, let's go. Tracking is will be 3 pixel. Okay, so this is our last class of the landing page. In the next video we are gonna make the about us page. Okay, the div is end. So link wrap, the link wrap. Okay guys, L the link wrap. Okay, now we have to link the privacy policy, the terms and condition, about us. If you can see, privacy policy, terms and condition, about us, shipping info, returns exchange, contact. So now we have to finish these items, slash, and there will be hash. We have to link ref. Okay, what we have to link? Privacy policy. So just copy it multiple times. So how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, So now what we have to do, we have to finish the footer. So another div will be here. Okay. So guys, we have finished the whole source code. Now we are gonna fix the error. After fixing the error, we will try to understand what is the code meaning. Okay. So guys, first of all, we have to understand what is the footer in a e-commerce website. So we are building it by Next.js, so it is so difficult. But those developer or those people who can believe that it is so simple and so easy for me, so Next.js is also easy for them. So it is a simple route, guys. You have to trust yourself that Next.js is so simple. First of all, if we go to the photos, we can see that in the left side we have our contact form. In the middle side we have giving a description to them and the social media icons. In the right side we have our collections, what collections primary we have our special collections, and in the bottom side, I mean in the bottom, privacy policy, terms and conditions, about shipping info and returns, exchanges and contact. So if we go to the last section, contact, return exchanges, shipping info, about terms and conditions, so that's it. So after that we have to attach it with the home page. How? In the app folder in the page.tsx. So simply we will click on the control P page.tsx, so we can see that we have attached all the components in here. But you can ask me why we didn't build the mobile menu and login system at here. If you go to the login model.tss and mobile menu, you can see that we didn't attach it with the page.tss. But why? Because in the header.tss we already import it in here. Import login model from login model and mobile menu for mobile menu. So in the page.tsx we don't have to import it multiple times. So we have imported first time and in another time we don't have to import it. But the footer didn't import in any pages. So we have to import it simply. So simply import. Okay, import footer. F is upper cases and everything is lower cases. Footer. Okay, footer from @/component. This is the rules of linker components in React project. Footer slash. So component slash footer slash, and that's it. This is the finish, and just we have to end it by footer. Okay, guys. So now we also have linked it up. So before watching the output, we have to out here. We are gonna leave the project and just simply we go to the PDF file. So I have made a beautiful PDF file for you. So simply it will take just 5 minutes, guys. So let's start with the PDF file. What is in the PDF file? The footer.tsx file codes explanation. So what is the client component? Use client. The first line tells Next.js that is a client component. Why do we use it? It allows React to run in the browser. If you go in the Chrome browser, so if you go to the Chrome browser, we can see this is a browser. So the use client link us to the React to run in the browser. It enables interactive feature like hover effect and client events. The hover effect means if I move the mouse to the any button, then the color will be changed. This is called hover effect. Components using React icons or browser APIs commonly use client. So if we go to our footer.tsx file, this use client is so important code for a React project or a Next.js project. And import link from next link, I mean the Next.js. So import link from next/link. We import the link components from Next.js. Instead of using of normal HTML anchor tag for internal pages, we use link because navigation is much faster, page load without refreshing, better SEO and better performances. So I don't repeat the meaning of this. Now we have to understand the icons. Where we get the icons, the React components. React icons, we have installed the npm install React icon. Import Facebook icon, Twitter icon, Instagram icon, Pinterest icon, Visa card, Mastercard, and Amex. Okay. So why these icons came from React icons library, social media, and payment methods. Create the footer components. This creates a reusable React components because it is exported as default. We can import it anywhere like. Okay, guys. Footer container. What is a footer container? In the footer container, we have write all the codes of the footer. If we go to the page, we can see the whole section is the footer section. The section name means footer section. So if we go to the PDF file again, what do you mean by this CSS? So first of all, maximum width will be 7XL. Instead of scratching across the whole screen, the content stays centered. MX auto means center the containers horizontally. Yes, 6 means adds left side a padding and adds right side a padding. PY24 means adds top and bottom padding. This creates breathing space. What do you mean by grid? Uses CSS grid. So you have to divide it into 3 columns because 1 2 3 1 2 3, right guys? After going to the PDF file, on medium screen and larger screen, it will be created by 3 columns, but in mobile version we everything automatically stack vertically. So gap will be 16. And the context section, what do you mean by h3 tag? This is the title and this is the paragraph. So I don't repeat this. This is simple HTML course. So payment icons, deep classes will be flex, gap will be 3, and text will be 3XL. Okay guys, flex means place icon in one row, one row, from left side to right side to right side, in a row, in a line. Empty will be 8, adds spacing above the icons. Visa, PayPal, Mastercard, American Express, these show customers which payment methods are accepted. Center branding section. So deep class, text center, everything inside is centered in the middle. Brand name will be H1 and H2, biography and class name. What do you mean by this class name? Classes. Text will be 5XL, italic, ambient, and font line. Meaning large font, elegant italic style, light from weight, and bottom margin. Right? Large font, elegant italic, light font weight, bottom margin. Marketing text, paragraph will be an process of line. Beautiful. What do you mean by the classes? Upper cases, leading relax, text 3XL is equal to leading relax. What do you mean by leading relax? Large readable text. Leading relax, what do you mean by leading relax? We can see the leading relax code hit here. Leading relaxed. Leading relax. So if you go to the PDF file, increasing line spacing and make paragraphs easier to read. Upper cases means everything will be big letter. Social media icons, flags, place icons in one row, centers the icons, and gap will be adds spacing, space. Empty area is equal to add space from above or the top. So example, by this, the anchor class, what do you mean by the width 12, height 12, border gray, flags, item center, justify content center, hover duration. Width is equal to 12 pixel, height is equal to 12 pixel, border is equal to adds a border in our content. Border gray is equal to 500 means light gray border. Flex means allows centering. Items will be centers vertically. Justify content is equal to centers horizontally. Centers vertically, centers horizontally. Hover is equal to background color is white means when the mouse is hover, background becomes white. Icons become black. Hover text black. Duration is equal to 300 milliseconds. So the collection section displays features, product collections. Example, growing skin, forever young, pure skin solutions. Responsive alignments is equal to text center. Medium is equal to text will be right. On mobile it will be center, but in the desktop it will be right aligned. The improves layout balanced. we have to understand also the responsive version. So bottom section, div class equal to border t, border will be gray. Border t is equal to adds a top border and separates it from the upper content. Bottom navigation is equal to, we have to take a div and flex ref, justify content cap 10. Flex ref means if there is an enough space, items move to the next line. So very useful for mobile responsive. So I am gonna finish it. What do you mean by tracking? Adds letter spacing. Adds letter spacing. So 3 pixels. For this we use tracking. Luxury websites often use wide letter spacing. So navigation links. What do you mean by navigation links? We have linked the icons here. Faster navigation, no full page reload, better performance, SEO friendly. The navigation link. So that's it. The code is finished. So just normally we will go to the terminal, 3 dots, terminal, new terminal. So just so slowly we will write npm run dev. Our footer section background color is black. Background color is black. We can see in the photo. So after getting the live link, simply we will click on the control section, and after the mouse, after clicking on the mouse, we have to take this on the bottom side. So we can see that our pages is open. Our pages is open. So if we go to our footer side, we will scroll down. So our footer section is ready. IoT is another font, contact and collection. So we can see our collection is ready, our footer section is ready. Why footer section is so important? Because this is the heart of our websites. Our contact section, our everything are here. So if we go to the Chrome browser, simply we will click at here and localhost 3000. Localhost 3000. After entering localhost 3000, this is a React project or a Next.js project, we will click on the enter. So we can see our website is ready. We have finished the navbar in the first video, login system, shopping cart page. The slider is also working, as well as the div cards, the product items, the nature products, and at last we have finished it with the contact. So you can see the also the hover effect is the hover effect is also working so cleanly. Okay, so that's it guys. If we go to the responsive version on the mobile version, after inspect, you can see after getting in the bottom, you can see our footer is completely working and so simply and so beautifully. Okay guys, everything is in the middle. So close it. We are on the desktop mode. If we go to the top side, you can see wish list, home, about us, blog, shop, portfolio, contact. Okay, this is our navbar. The login system working so beautifully. The sweeper section, and at last we have made the product items, product cards, and we have made this nature beauty section, and at last we have the footer section. So that's it guys. This is our journey for the Next.js project. In the next video, wait for me, I am going to show you the about us page. After that we will create the blog page. After that we will create the portfolio and contact page. So a full e-commerce website by Next.js we will build it, and our journey will end. So please wait for the next video. I know my pronunciation is not so good. I am not so good at English, but as a learner I am trying my best. So please try to understand my course. If you have any complaint, please feel free to comment. Okay guys, so this is our footer and this is the code. You can see another, we can give a revise. So this is our codes. Okay, so that's it for today. Be happy guys. My name is Imamur. I am a learner and a web developer. If you have any complaint for my video, please feel free to comment, or you can give a text me as you want. So assalamu alaikum guys. Bye.